Hey, I'm Joel from Lapp Wagons, and today we want to talk about how to measure tire size. Now, we're going to take a look at different styles of how to read and how to write sizes. We're also going to take a look at different wheel styles specifically. And then finally, we're going to make sure that you know everything you need to know about the wheel hub and the diameter and all of that good stuff. So we're going to jump right in now with our first way of how to read tire sizes. So the first way to measure a wheel is the tire width, the tire to the rim and the space between there, and then your rim diameter. And so this wheel here is a 410 350 by 4, which means it is 4.1 inches wide. There's 3.5 inches from the base of the wheel to the rim, and then the rim itself is actually 4 inches. For our second style of measurement, we're gonna need a different wheel. So let's go get that. You'll notice this wheel is a lot bigger and it's also written in a little bit of a different way. So this is a 16 650 by 8. The 16 is in reference to the wheel diameter from top to bottom. The 650 is how wide the wheel is, so 6.5 inches. And then the 8 is actually the rim diameter here from top to bottom. For our last and final size, we have to get our last and final wheel. This last wheel is actually the easiest to measure. This wheel is 16 by 2.12, which means it is 16 inches from top to bottom, and it is 2.12 inches along the side here. The next vital piece of information is making sure that you have the right hub size. So for this wheel, we're going to just use a tape measure. We're gonna feed it right through the wheel. You can see it come out this side here. I'm going to make it nice and snug along this side. And so I know that this is a 3-inch hub. And that is gonna be very important because depending on what you wanna use your wheel for, it could change the size of your hub from a few inches to a little bit more than that. On certain wheels, you may notice that you have the ability to actually customize your hub or order an offset or off-centered hub. And so on this wheel, you'll notice that. On this side, you see that the hub actually protrudes a little bit here. And then on this side, it's sort of sunken back in. So you can tell that it's an off-centered hub. And what this means is there's a little bit more backspace on this side as opposed to this side. And depending on the vehicle or the cart or wheelbarrow, whatever you're gonna be putting your wheel on, some of them require that off-centered nature so that you can actually fit your wheel on better, whether there's a contraption or something that's gonna block the interior of the wheel as you're fitting it on, or whether you need to get air in your wheel. And so this side may need to go on your axle, and then you can get the air nice in this side. And the last thing you really need to know about the hub or the bearing is the bearing diameter. You're gonna wanna measure that. So that's from the open space here, one side to the other. And so this wheel just happens to be a 5/8 inch bearing. And so that is what's gonna actually fit the 5/8 inch axle. So as you're measuring for that, you'll know exactly the measurements that you need to take. So at Lapp Wagons, we have 4 different types of wheels that we have to offer. We have flat free wheels, we have pneumatic wheels, we have spoke wheels, and we have hard rubber wheels. And if you want to know any more information on these wheels, visit our website, check out the link below, and that's going to tell you everything you need to know about our wheels. That'll also be a great spot for your online store opportunity where you can purchase wheels from us. And if you have any other questions, throw them in the comments, fill out our contact us form on our website. We cannot wait to hear from you, and we hope that this tire size guide has helped. Thank you.